PDL Leather Wallet Sleeve Case for Oppo R7 Plus is an extraordinary wallet with 2 pockets, giving you the freedom to carry your device and cards together with the provided dedicated pockets and card slots. Quality full-grain leather and handmade production form up an excellent solution. Purposely placed inner pockets provide plenty of rooms for credit cards, ID cards and money. This form allows you to place your case anywhere, like in your bag, pocket or jacket. Beautiful stitching and premium exclusive selected leather coming together creates this extraordinary model, while adding luxury and full protection. We have PDL Leather Wallet Pouch Case for Oppo R7 Plus that is the most functional case so far with its unique design and exquisite craftsmanship. We also have PDL Leather Continental Sleeve Wallet for Oppo R7s that is the timeless elegance of highlights the slender contours. We specialize in custom, premium leather cases. Although we carry the classic black cases in stock for immediate delivery, you can always go to the customizer to create your own stylish premium leather case. If you are looking for additional colors, patterns and types,